Hi everyone, welcome back again to our Think Infinite. In today's video, we are gonna see the introduction and overview of Notion, like why do we use it for and what task we can perform and what can we actually do on it. So for us for just information, I really want to tell you that Notion is a productivity tool that helps you manage your tasks, your day-to-day activity so that you can track what you're doing. So basically it's a productivity tool. So without ado, I think we should jump into the website and let's see what is it. Okay, so we are on the interface of Notion, and there are some things that are demonstrated, and you can check out them one by one to analyze, to check them on your own. So here are some introduction. It's given some information that tap anywhere and start typing, and it is for mobile. So let's see what are these options. So basically, the search option for searching something. Notion AI. It's an AI implementation from the side of Notion to do some AI enabled task, and it is home. If you click home, it will take you to the home, and here are inbox is settings. Here are some settings that you can manage. So and entries, data entries, and you can also entry your data. There's a reading list. You can create a reading list. You can learn what does it do, and so basically we can do, like, so we can create a task if you use task list. So I have created a page in which I've done something, and so let me tell you what does it do. Okay, so I'm opening one of my page, which is like step to EDA. So this is my pages look like, and I created so many things like so. So today my internet is slow, so that's why it's taking some time. I hope you can manage. So when you scroll down, you see a lot of things. Let me open another one. It does not have this one. So see, this is my page in which I have collected some probability distributions. It's just a sample so that you can understand what can we do. Okay, so it's a page like I've written something. You can click anywhere and you can start writing. So when you click on it, and click on it, when you double click on it, you can do some changes like on text. So you can make it bold, italic. So you can do this, and you can just hit enter, and you will reach to the next line, and you're going to start typing. So if you notice, there is a plus sign. So when you click on it, it will give you some things to implement, to add. Like if you want to add some text, plain text, you can click on this and something will open. And this is for page. If you want to add a sub page inside a page that you have created, and if you want to add a to-do list, so that you can track something if you have created somewhere, and it's a heading one, you can do with your heading, your text. If you can add a simple table, you can add bullet under the text, number list. You've already been familiar to that. And here are some AI things that you can try. If you're writing something and you're stuck at somewhere, you can just try this option, and it will give you some suggestions to just continue the paragraph. And you can even make a flowchart. And here, when you come to the media, you can add an image if you want to add. You can add a bookmark, you can add a video, you can add an audio. I'm not doing it because I've already created this task, and there's nothing I cannot add those things in here. So you can, even if to add a file, you can see it on a table view, board view, gallery view, a lot of things here. And you can even add a custom AI block that generates a content from your instruction. You can add table of content, a lot of options here. Like it's a very convenient and helpful and productive tool, and options and features you can do. And here, when you can just keep a scroll down, you will find a lot of options, many options down there. You can also add a tweet. You can also have a GitHub, Google Maps, Figma. But remember, if you're doing any kind of these embeds, you must need to create an account from the separate tab so that you can go to the access them. So it has a different procedure to do, but for now, it's for just basic understanding. I can just tell you. You can even add a Loom recording. If you have a software, you can add a recording. So a lot of things. So let me just tell you my page that I've created. So this is the banner image, and when you click on the banner image, you can even change it, reposition if you want to. If you want to add icon, the icon will be added here, or maybe it replaces the image, or maybe not. Maybe it adds it here. So when you go down, this is my heading, and then I first type the name, the normal distribution. I've added some information about it. What is it? And then I've added an image that shows what basically the distribution there. Okay, so here I've just added some number lists here. Here another image that is not being open because of the slow internet, and also here I've added a few more images and graphs so that you can see. But basically, how can we use it basically? So this is how we can do different things. So suppose if I really want to add an audio clip here, I can just go to the plus icon and see audio. So if I click, I can embed it from Spotify or SoundClip. So you can use it on. So basically, no matter how much I tell you about it, because until you don't try it from your own, you may not better be able to understand or do a specific task on it. So I think until now, you got a basic overview of Notion. How why do we use it? I really do not have enough information about it, so whatever I know, I just told you. So if you like my video, you can share it so that you can do it. Thank you.